whenever you're going to a temple in Bali, Indonesia, you're gonna have to get a sarong and wrap it around your legs before you can actually go in and see the temple. And if you don't know, you probably don't know how to actually tie one, find a local, a Balinese person who can actually help you tie it. So can you help me tie a sarong?
Of course, because I'm Balinese. So yes, I can help you out.
All right, so this is what it looks like. I like the color. I was not born to be basic.
So this is the map that we have it. We start from ticket entrance and following the way to truck here. So, but we cannot visit the temple because it's not allowed for some tourism.
Good afternoon from Uluwatu, Indonesia, and today we're here to see the temple, and we're also going to see a sacred dance and see the beautiful sunset. So the temple is right there and the sun's about to set, but this view is just so, it's honestly so breathtaking. If you don't know where Uluwatu is, it's in the southern part of Indonesia, and for this tour, I believe the tour was $22 US, so really a really great price. But let's go see this this dance. So we're headed towards the perfect Instagram spot here at the temple in Uluwatu. So,
and no one knows this secret spot, only myself.
We're right here?
Yeah, here.
Oh, so
yeah.
When you see the sign saying strictly prohibited, apparently this is the spot.
So not me, but the other side. But you're just walking this step and flew and look at to the ocean.
The last thing is going to be a bit of a history about this place. When was this place built and who built it? But we're gonna ask a local, because when you go somewhere, you should ask a local versus just using Wikipedia.
Yeah, so this temple was found by Dananirata, who was found this temple, and also this temple was found in 11th century. So Uluwatu temple. So what does mean Uluwatu temple? So Ulu means edge or cliff, or Watu means the rock, because this temple is covered by rock, and also the highest is 97 meters from the ocean. So you have to come to Bali and visiting this temple. Bro, here's the dance will be going on. I'm suggest you to sit over there, so you can catching up by the sunset and the.
All right, so I made it. I got a perfect spot before the fire dance actually starts, and you guys can see the sunset, the sun setting right there. And you also get a pamphlet that tells you exactly what is going on in each act. But yeah, there's a lot of people here, so get here an hour, maybe 40 minutes before and sit down and try to sit high up so you can get a perfect view of the sunset.
Dan selamat datang juga kami ucapkan kepada Bapak dan Ibu dari PT Kedulintas Berbi.
After seeing the dance here in Uluwatu Temple, it was so beautiful. Having the sunset as the backdrop, the background whenever they were dancing, it was just so rich in history and culture and just amazing to see. And you're probably wondering, what's the perfect day here in Bali, Indonesia? I would say traveling up to Mount Batur at 3 in the morning, seeing the sunrise there, taking a Jeep tour. How do you see the sunrise? How do you book a tour? Click this video right here.